Hello guys, in this video I will show you animation state in SwiftUI. Animation are an amazing addition to any project. Let's start with the animation state. Just like in React, you have animate state in SwiftUI as well. In this case, let's declare a boolean that will be toggle from true and false and vice versa. When user on tap this one, I just listening this one on tap gesture. When user on click this one on tap gesture, I just changing this boolean value to toggle. If it is false means this value will be updated to true. Now I just doing this action with toggle here. When user on tap, I just toggling this value. Then I am applying these changes to this state. Here is the condition I just added. Using this condition, if state true means I just setting the value of 320, otherwise it will be 300. Likewise, I am changing the height. If the boolean is 600, if the boolean is true means it will be update 600, otherwise it will be 44. Now I just applying the animation. When user on tap this one, this frame will be changed accordingly to this boolean value without any animation. I just going to be add some animation. When user on tap this one, here I just adding some animation. There are many animation option available, like with animation dot spring open and close bracket. Then after I'm changing the toggle value. Now I'm going to be click this one. You can see this spring effect. Likewise, you can have a multiple option for this. I just type dot and you can see the ease in, ease out. There are many options available here. I just going to be try ease in. Now I just going to be click this one. It should be ease in. Then I just going to be run this one, play this one and just click here. You can see this ease in animation. Likewise, you can change this ease out. You can change to linear and so on future available. To testing animation features, better use simulator instead of this preview.